channel, just doing a real quick video on the 16 by 16 inch green microfiber cleaning cloth. And what I have in front of you is my Panasonic home phone. And you see it has a screen there, but I want to go ahead and clean it off because you know phones can be really dirty. So what I'm going to do, of course you don't want to submerge it into water, but I have a water bottle here. I'm just going to put some on the tip, drag it off, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off my home phone. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and clean off my screen with some water and just, kind of run it through it like that and get the sides. Just cleaning it off. This rag, the screen microfiber 16 by 16 works really, really great. And then just anywhere, I mean look, I don't know if you can tell, but it's dirty there, because the phone, is dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and get my, the part that's not wet, which is, basically the whole towel, basically. And I'm just going to dry it off. And because it's so big, I can easily just, swipe it off like that. And it's ready to go for us to be able to use the phone. And the phone looks really good again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.